Ideation is the lifeblood of progress, the genesis of every invention and breakthrough. It is the art of generating new ideas, of looking at the world with fresh eyes and envisioning possibilities where others see only the mundane. In the realm of business and technology, ideation is not merely a desirable skill, but an imperative for survival and growth. In an era of relentless change and disruption, companies that fail to innovate risk becoming obsolete. But ideation is not just about coming up with any idea, it is about generating ideas that are valuable, novel, and feasible. It is about understanding the needs and desires of customers and creating solutions that improve their lives. This process often involves challenging assumptions, thinking outside the box, and embracing experimentation. It requires a willingness to take risks, to fail fast, and to learn from setbacks. Innovation, on the other hand, is the process of transforming an idea into a tangible product, service, or process that delivers value. It is the bridge that connects imagination to reality, the engine that drives progress and economic growth. Innovation is not a one-time event but an ongoing cycle of ideation, experimentation, implementation, and iteration. It requires a deep understanding of customer needs, a willingness to embrace new technologies, and a culture that encourages risk-taking and learning from failure. The most successful innovators are not content with incremental improvements. They strive to create disruptive innovations that create new markets and redefine industries. They are driven by a passion for solving problems and making a difference in the world. At the heart of every successful innovation is an entrepreneurial mindset, a unique blend of vision, passion, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Entrepreneurs are not born, but made, shaped by their experiences, their environments, and their unwavering belief in their ability to create something meaningful. They possess an insatiable curiosity, always seeking new knowledge and experiences. They are comfortable with ambiguity and uncertainty, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Entrepreneurs are also calculated risk-takers, understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, but a stepping stone on the path to achieving it. They are driven by a deep sense of purpose, a desire to make a positive impact on the world. This unwavering belief in their vision fuels their resilience, enabling them to overcome obstacles and setbacks that would deter even the most determined individuals. Section 4. Laying the foundation: business formation and compliance. Transforming an innovative idea into a thriving business requires a solid foundation, starting with the crucial step of business formation. Choosing the right legal structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation, is paramount. Each structure comes with its own set of legal and tax implications that significantly impact the business's future. Navigating the legal landscape doesn't end with choosing a business structure, it extends to understanding and adhering to statutory compliances, from registering the business to obtaining necessary permits and licenses, complying with labor laws, and fulfilling tax obligations. Entrepreneurs must be diligent in meeting all legal requirements. Failure to do so can lead to severe consequences, including penalties, legal disputes, and damage to the business's reputation. Therefore, seeking professional guidance from lawyers and accountants is crucial to ensure compliance and mitigate potential risks. Section 5. Safeguarding your creation's intellectual property rights. In the knowledge economy, intellectual property is a valuable asset for any business, especially startups built on innovation. Protecting your creations through patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets is not just a legal formality, it's a strategic imperative for long-term success. Patents offer exclusive rights to your inventions, preventing others from making, using, or selling them without permission, providing a competitive edge and potential for licensing revenues. Trademarks safeguard your brand identity, including logos, names, and taglines, ensuring that your hard-earned brand recognition remains yours. Copyrights protect original works of authorship such as software code, marketing materials, and website content, preventing unauthorized duplication and distribution. Trade secrets, on the other hand, protect confidential information that gives your business a competitive advantage, such as manufacturing processes or customer lists. Understanding the nuances of each type of intellectual property and developing a robust intellectual property strategy is crucial for protecting your innovations, attracting investors, and building a sustainable business. Section 6. Building a dream team. The power of collective genius. Behind every successful startup is a team of talented individuals who share a common vision and are passionate about bringing it to life. Building a high-performing team is not just about finding people with the right skills, it's about creating a culture of collaboration, innovation, and mutual respect. Diversity of thought, experience, and expertise is crucial for fostering creativity and problem-solving. A team with diverse perspectives can approach challenges from multiple angles, leading to more innovative and effective solutions. Effective communication, both formal and informal, is the lifeblood of a successful team. It fosters transparency, builds trust, and ensures that everyone is aligned with the company's goals. Regular team-building activities both inside and outside the workplace can help strengthen relationships, improve communication, and boost morale. Section 7. Leading with vision and values. In the dynamic and fast-paced world of startups, leadership is not just a title, it's a way of being. Effective startup leaders are visionaries who can articulate a compelling future and inspire their teams to achieve it. They are also adaptable, able to pivot quickly in response to changing market conditions. But leadership is more than just setting a direction. It's about creating a culture that embodies the company's values. It's about empowering employees to take ownership, fostering a culture of accountability, and celebrating both big and small wins. Great leaders lead by example, demonstrating the same work ethic, passion, and commitment they expect from their team. They are also approachable and supportive, creating a safe space for team members to share ideas, voice concerns, and learn from their mistakes. In a startup environment where resources are often limited and the stakes are high, effective leadership can be the difference between success and failure.